again, welcome to another DITry. This week we're going to be making another page corner bookmark, but with characters from the game Among Us. So yes, we'll be making a crewmate here. I've already made a little red one. Now I'm going to make a much bigger yellow one. Start off by creating a square piece of paper out of my 8x11. I'm going to cut off a rectangular piece there, which I will save for later. Once I've done that, I'll take my square, which I have folded into triangles, and create an origami bookmark. Now, if you've been aware in previous episodes, you will know how to do this. But you fold over two triangles like so, then fold over a middle one, and tuck in the previous two pieces. It'll create a nice little corner bookmark, which you can tuck in on any book. Now, having created a traditional bookmark, I'm going to take my scissors and cut off a little piece of it to create a rectangle to make it into the shape of one of the crewmates. Having done that, I will then take my rectangular piece of paper and create an identical in size rectangle to form the back of it. Okay, having done that, we have our front and back. I'm now going to create the legs by just cutting out a little half circle hole at the bottom. And there you go. Now, use some glue and paste the back to it, and making sure to leave room for you to slide in the book right there. Yeah, just glue up the back of that side. And now we have our little man. I'm going to create a backpack for him first. Just cut out a little yellow rectangle as well. And now time to create the visor. Just take some blue paper and darken it up with a black Sharpie, making sure to sort of create the outline there, which I will then cut out and glue onto it. And we're done. Well, proportions are a little wonky, but hey, it still works. And just to prove that it works, I'm going to bring out my notebook. Anyway, I found this idea on a place called redtedart.com, which I will provide a link to in the bottom. You can compare my work to theirs, and perhaps get ideas for your own. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week with another DITry.